Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem for 11th or 12th grade matrices determinants. We have been given a determinant and its value equals to 0. We have to find out what is the value of the x. Now we will use to solve this determinant, we will use the properties of determinants that we can apply transformation on columns and rows. Now, if you observe the second column and third column, you can see that they differ by a value of 1. That means, if I am able to apply the transformation that C2 will be C2 minus C3, then the second column will become 1, 1, 1. And we know that whenever we get ones, immediately we can work on row-wise transformation from there onwards and we can get zeros. Once we get zeros, then it will become very easy. So let us start. C2 is the same C2 minus C3. So only C2 is going to change, remaining will remain as it is. The first column will remain as it is, the second column will remain as it is, only the third column will change to 1, 1, 1. So, once we are done with that, we know that we have now 3 ones in second column. Now, let us do row-wise transformation and try to get zeros there. So we'll write down R1 is assigned R1 minus R3, so that 1 minus 1 will become 0. Again we will do R2 is assigned R2 minus R3, so that again 1 minus 1 will become 0. Then the second column we will have, after the changes, we will have 1, 0, 0. That is very easy for us to calculate the determinant now. So let's go ahead and apply these changes. When we do that, first let's write down the row 3 as it is, because we are not changing row 3, we are working on row 3. So row 3 values I can write down as it is. Row 3 will be 7 minus x, 1 and 13 as it is. After that we will write down what is R1. R1 is assigned R1 minus R3. R1 minus R3 means from the first row, first element with third row, first element. That is 15 minus 2x minus of 7 minus x, which is 15 minus 7, 8, minus 2x plus x is minus x. So it will be 8 minus x. Next will be 1 minus 1, 0. After that 10 minus 13 will be minus 3. You are aware of that. Then let's go to second row. In the second row we will have 11 minus 3x minus of 7 minus x. That is 11 minus 7 is 4. Minus 3x plus x is minus 2x. So we will have 4 minus 2x. Then we'll have 0 and then we'll have 3. Now easily we can calculate the determinant now, because we can take the second column. After the changes we see that second column we have only 0, 0, 1. That means we can take the second column to calculate the determinant. So let us do that. First let us see what will be the sign of that third row second element. That is nothing but 1 plus minus plus minus. So its a sign is minus. Now let's calculate the determinant. So we'll remove that row and that column. We will have 2 by 2 matrix for which we have to calculate the determinant now. That is 8 minus x minus 3, 4 minus 2x and 3. Actually we can take the minus 3 also common from the second column. So we can write down minus 1 into minus 3, that is 3 into 2 by 2 matrix will become now 8 minus x, 1 and 4 minus 2x minus 1. Now this is easy now, because we have a 2 by 2 matrix for which we have to find out the determinant. We know that if the elements are A, B, C, D, then the det is given by AD minus BC. So we can just calculate AD minus BC now. That will be 3 into 8 minus x into minus 1 minus 4 minus of 2x. We can simplify this. We will get 3 into 3x minus 12 equals to 0, or 3x minus 12 is 0. 3x minus 12 is 0, 3x equals to 12. That means x equals to 4. So, in the given determinant is equals to 0, then the value of x is equals to 4.